What's going on, guys? This is the 300 Blackout Destro. Here's the trigger assembly. The upper and the lower, a few parts were missing, so once it was put together it came out in all black. And getting ready to start the paint job. The paint job was to resemble Destro from G.I. Joe. Enjoy. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Big Boy Tactical. This is the latest project I've been working on. This is a 300 Blackout pistol. This is called the Destro pistol. As you can see, Commander Cobra is here. This lower is a Tennessee Arms lower. The upper is a Palmetto State upper. Those are some subsonic 300 Blackout ammo that I picked up. This is known as the Shark 300 Blackout muzzle brake. As you can see, we did a few different patterns to give it a snake-like pattern. Here's as some of you guys might remember, Destro has a red belt that goes around his leg. So we went ahead and we did a snake type of stipple. Let's turn this around. It goes all the way from one side to the other side of the pistol grip with the stippling. Here is it's got a red magazine takedown. We did the well cover, the mag well, like if it was Destro's jacket that has the red lining going around. And as you can see, it's in the handguard. Two different type of patterns, two different type of meshes to get the pattern done, so it can look like somewhat of a snake pattern. It's also in the bottom. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, hit me up. Thank you.